Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details with how much paint correction is possible with a single machine polishing stage. So the simple answer to the video title is quite simply, the longer you spend machine polishing, even with a single stage machine polish, the more defects you are going to remove. This doesn't require much of an explanation because the more contact time that the machine polishing pad has against each section of paintwork will mean the more clear coat that's going to be removed, resulting in a deeper level of cut. The result from this single stage machine polish is going to vary from car to car due to the different paint types and hardness, but nevertheless this video is going to be covering the single stage machine polish, often known as a gloss enhancement detail or an enhancement detail. So let's start with the gloss enhancement detail, which for me is one of my entry level detailing services for the customers that don't want you to spend days detailing their car, but obviously they still want a good job done, so something around a day's labour. With the gloss enhancement detail and the cost associated with this service, it often limits me to only spending a day on the car, and you really can't maximise the potential from a single stage machine polish because there isn't enough time. Often it is a case of getting the vehicle fully decontaminated and spending as long as you can with the machine polisher so you can get the vehicle presented in its best light, ready for an early evening collection. The enhancement detail allows the additional half day or full second day to maximise the potential from a single stage machine polish. The difference with these two entry level detailing services in regards to the level of paint correction that is met is the gloss enhancement detail at around 40% and the enhancement detail at around 60%. The demonstration vehicle is a Range Rover Sport that was in for an enhancement detail not so long ago, and when I finished machine polishing half of the bonnet and given it an IPA wipe down, I'll show you the results. Like I mentioned earlier, these results will vary from car to car, but keeping with the Range Rover Sport, which is an older model 2005 plate, so slightly softer paint than the brand new Range Rovers, the results speak for themselves. There is a bit more machine polishing needed over to the left of the screen, but generally the bonnet has taken very well to the single stage machine polish. This highlights the benefits of the enhancement detail over a gloss enhancement detail, as with the enhancement detail you have the time to wipe down with IPA, check your results and do a bit more machine polishing where necessary. The gloss enhancement detail is more about making sure every inch of paintwork is covered in thorough detail for maximum gloss. For the most part of the bonnet, I'd say it's around 60% defect free, which is a typical result with an enhancement detail. As always, thank you for watching. Please drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not already. I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.